Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications. Hi friends, today let's prepare simple spicy and tasty starter chicken fry. This chicken fry is not only a starter, you can also mix this with plain biryani rice and serve it as a fry piece biryani. This chicken fry is so addictive you will try this recipe over and over again. So without any delay, let's get started. First heat the pan. To this add 3 tablespoons oil. Heat oil on a medium-high flame. Once oil is hot, add cleaned chicken pieces to the oil. Saute on a high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Next to this add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix and saute on a high flame till all the water evaporates from the chicken. Chicken leaves more water, so make sure to cook on a high flame until all the water evaporates and keep stirring often. Once all the water evaporates and oil oozes out, to this add 3 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Mix and saute on a medium-high flame till the raw smell goes. Next to this add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons chicken masala powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. Mix well to coat spices with the chicken. Reduce the flame to medium and mix well. Now add little water to keep masala moist and mix once. Now cover and cook for 5 minutes until chicken cooked. After 5 minutes, take out the lid. Now you can see chicken cooked. Stir once. Keep flame on medium. Next to this add 1 chopped onion, small piece chopped ginger. Mix well with the chicken pieces. Keep flame on medium and saute for a minute. Next cover and cook for another 3 minutes until chicken pieces are lightly roasted. You can also mix this chicken fry with plain biryani rice and serve it as a fry piece biryani. To prepare biryani rice, you can check one of my video Rambo chicken biryani, or you can click the link on top of the screen, or you can check out the link in the description box. After 3 minutes, take out the lid. Mix once. Now you can see chicken pieces are lightly roasted. Next to this add 3 to 4 green chillis, half teaspoon kasoori methi, half teaspoon chaat masala, 2 sprigs curry leaves. Stir and mix well with the chicken pieces. Also check the salt and spicy level and adjust according to your taste. Now slightly increase the flame and cook on a medium-high flame until chicken pieces are completely roasted. Once chicken pieces are roasted, add cashews, chopped coriander, 2 to 3 teaspoons lemon juice. Give a quick stir and turn off the flame. Simple and tasty chicken fry is ready. Serve this with hot rice, or you can mix with plain biryani rice and serve it as a fry piece biryani. Try this recipe and let me know in the comments if you like it. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR into your kitchen for more delicious recipes.